Hi, what the fuck are you? Oh my god. Wait.
Baby heron. Oh shit, I'm taking it to...
Bye, girl. I think it's done. Bye-bye. Bye. Hi. Now look what I see.
Good girl. Hi, lovers.
What is that? What are you doing here? Where's the mom? Are you okay?
Okay, good. Come on. He's dragging his legs.
Come on. Hello, lovers. Come on. Good girl. Hi, lovers.
Okay, I was just checking on my plants, and there's a little tiny egg.
Right there. Hi.
And voila! Oh, kind of just scared them all away. That was too fast.
Come on, baby.
He said, please. Oh my gosh.
Larry's got himself stuck. Oh, Larry? Oh, buddy. There we go. Oh, Lord. You good? Good work.
Come on. Come on. Okay, good. Come on.
Wow. Are you hungry?
What's the matter?
You won't let me in.
Hi. Peacock. It's so beautiful.
Larry?
Oh my god!
Sunny, stop, Sunny, enough.
It's okay, honey.
Come on. Good girl. Hi, lovers.
Oh my gosh. You won't believe. Hello, little baby. Where were you? Where were you, little baby?
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! Look at it!
Hi, honey.
Oh, look at the baby!
Come here.
He's dragging his legs. Come on, let's go. You've done it.
It's thirsty. Do what
First.
How do I give it water?
Oh my gosh, it's coming towards me. Guys.
Boo.
Hi! Go on! Go that way!
You won't believe what I just heard. She was crying. She was calling me.
Come here. Come here. Oh, it's our baby. You can do it.
Oh my gosh! Oh, look at this! Oh my gosh! Look how huge it is!
Where's the egg?
It's under it.
Skylar, what is it?
It's a baby ostrich. Okay, so oh my gosh, mommy. He's so cute.
Oh my goodness, what happened? Oh, me.
Alright, yeah, we might get him some help, but that's all good. Oh, he's a bit groggy. I'm hoping he's gonna be alright.
Oh my god, it's alive! She's going. Oh my god! What are you doing here?
Oh my gosh. Now look what I see. Oh.
So I wanted to show you what I woke up to this morning. Look how small they are. Oh, he's so cute. So many beautiful colors too. Want your water? Or do you want me? Come on. Hello, good morning. Say hi to everyone. You being shy girl? Ah, look at that. Wanted to show you some of my favorite colors.
Okay, I was just checking on my plants and there's a little tiny egg.
Oh, look at him! Oh, he's so cute!
Come on. He's trying to chill. Yeah, he is too.